In this lesson, we will find the length of side in a non-right triangle using the law of sines. The given data is side B equals 10 centimeters, angle A equals 40 degrees, and angle B equals 60 degrees. We will build a clear diagram, write the law, and then solve step by step without skipping anything. For any triangle, the law of sines says, over sine of A equals B over sine of B equals C over sine of C. We only need the pair that uses A and B, so we will take a over sine, A equals B over sine B. Now solve for a step by step. Start with a over sine, A equals B over sine B. Multiply both sides by sine A, so A equals B times sine A divided by sine B. Substitute the given values. B equals 10, A equals 40 degrees, and B equals 60 degrees. That gives it equals 10 times sine of 40 degrees over sine of 60 degrees. First recall an exact value. Sine of 60 degrees equals the square root of 3 over 2. Using a calculator, sine of 40 degrees is approximately 0.6428, and sine of 60 degrees is approximately 0.8660. Now plug these in and simplify carefully step by step. Round to an appropriate number of significant figures. Therefore, A is approximately 7.42 centimeters.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MyVerseNaths.